Hi all, this is Marcello Ducil with www.thefxpert.com, bringing you the trade analysis for the IBO, the inside breakout trade, taken on the pound yen on November 19th, 2009. How fitting that I am doing this analysis while in Tokyo, Japan. Now, getting on with our trade analysis. It was taken on November 19th, 2009. Our strategy, the inside breakout trade, also the IBO. Currency pair, pound yen, GBPJPY. Our time frame, the daily, D1. Our entry was at 148.94. We're actually going to get an illustration of this trade. I'm just going over the details. Entry 148.94. Stop loss 150.31. Take profit on the first position because this is a two position strategy at 147.59 for 136 pips of profit. Our open profit on our second position is at 146.72. So technically we're up 222 pips on the second position. Now this is what this trade looks like. What you'll see here is that we have the master candle, which is here. We've got three inside candles, okay? One, which is, inside breakout trade is denoted by a master candle, followed by three, or for our purposes, at least two inside candles. Here we've got three inside candles, which means that we've got one long candle, okay, and we have at least two candles which stay within the confines of the high and the low of this first candle, which we call a master candle. So we have one inside candle, two inside candles, three inside candles, because they all all their highs and lows are within that master candle. Then we had our breakout yesterday, okay, November 19th, 2009, the break of the low, and we entered this trade at 148.94. Our stop loss was placed at 150.31 up here, okay, at the high of the first bar. Our first take profit was at 147.59, which is at a 1-to-1 ratio with our initial stop loss here in our entry. So 136 pips to our stop loss, 136 pips to our first take profit. And we're currently at 146.72. Now, that's current. If you were to exit that trade currently, you would exit with 223 pips of profit, which is roughly 7% gain on your account with our default measures. Not bad for a day and a half of work, I would say. Anyway, that pretty much sums up our trade analysis for the pound yen inside breakout trade that was taken this week. Okay, taken on November 19th, 2009. Oh, incidentally, before I sign out here, we also had another trade that was taken. This was this was a tremendous opportunity here because we had a breakout, a false breakout to the upside, okay? But at the break of this low, we had another opportunity to enter in the stop and reverse for this trade. And that trade would have entered roughly at 149.15, and so you'd be in that trade for also 250, 280 pips of profit. there. Okay, so this is Marcello Ducil signing out in Tokyo with a pound yen trade. Happy trading.